Hello everyone. In this tutorial video we will show you how to install NBOCWWB DocScanner version 2. Please note that this mobile app is exclusively for department and CSC users only. Currently it is only supported in Android platform. In order to install the app, go to NBOCWWB portal and log in with your username and password. Enter your user ID. Enter your password. Enter the CAPTCHA code. Now tap on Login button. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to Menu and click on Mobile App. Select the app version 2.0 and tap or click on Download button. Proceed with the download. Once the download is completed, install the app. Click Install to continue. You can open the app by clicking Open button on completion. Proceed with the login from the mobile app. That's it. This is how you can install and log in into the DocScanner app. You can also find the shortcut link in your mobile phone as shown in the screen. In the next video, we will show you how to upload claim documents using the DocScanner app and QR code. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. Bye for now.